Let's master the basics of jump rope. When you are starting out to do jump rope, you need to master the basics, and that is your leg movement. Now you will see I'm going to perform two jump rope leg movements which are very easy for me because I have been doing this for years and years. This is 2-foot jump. Now I'll do single foot jump. I'm doing this in rhythm because I have practiced this for years. When you are starting out on jump rope, start with what we call is shadow jump. The first jump you are going to start on is your shadow jump, is your 2-foot jump. Now, if you would have seen, when I'm doing jump rope, I jump rope with my wrist and my elbows are tucked inside. That is how you should also aim towards when you are working towards doing an effective jump rope. So we'll start off by doing shadow jumping, tucking our elbows, putting our wrist and doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the place you land on the ground is here, the foot. You don't land on the ankle, you land on the foot here. So 2-foot jump is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And your knees are a little bit bent. Very important is when you are doing jump rope, your posture, your knee movement and your wrist movement. You don't jump rope with your hand like this. You do it with your wrist and you keep your posture straight, little bit of knees bent, look straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Keep doing this. Keep doing this when you are a beginner. Start with this. What you have to aim towards is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See my wrist movement? My elbows are tucked in. I'll show it to you from the front. See my wrist movement and my elbows. And my knees also a little bit bent. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So what you need to do is that you need to first start with shadow jumps of 2 foot. 1, 2, 3. Posture straight, knee will be bent, elbows tucked in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, practice shadow jumping, practice. This will help you move towards your effective jump rope routine, jump rope approach. Next jump rope which you need to start along with your 2 foot is single foot. Again, just watch me. Elbows tucked in, wrist movement, little bit knees bent, straight posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23, 24. And again, I'm landing my feet over here, not on my ankle. Feet over here, not on my ankle. So how we did this with single foot, we'll do shadow jumping. Baseline your form, tucked in, thing, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Your head should be straight, straight line, core, knees bent. Now, when you are doing jump rope, single foot or double foot, you are working your brain also. Okay? So, practice, practice. If you do practice with 5, with 10, increase, increase, increase. Practice shadow jumping, say of single foot, do 100, 200 first, so that you get that rhythm of jump rope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 27, 28, 29, 30, 34, 35, 36, 39, 40, 40, 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 27, 28, 29, 33, 34, 35, 36, 39, 40, 40, 40. So let us do shadow jumping of both 2 feet and single feet together. First, the position, the form, straight, elbows tucked in, little bit knee, 2 foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See where my feet are landing. 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Single foot, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Then double foot, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Single foot, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Now let's see how when you master this, ultimately how you are going to work towards doing this with jump rope. Double foot first. First position, elbows tucked in, straight, little bit knee bent, double foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 29, 30. Single foot. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 29, 30. Single foot. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, 23, 24, 27, 28, 29, 30. So this is how you will get the rhythm first by practicing shadow jump and then moving towards. Practice at least, if you are a beginner, practice more doing shadow jumping without a jump rope and then move towards the jump rope. That is what the idea is. I'm going to show you one more. First, I think you must always focus on mastering the 2-foot and the single foot jump. Then when you get a little bit comfortable with this, there is one more jump, which is, again, it's a single foot, but that is what the boxers use a lot, and this is how it happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, 21, 22. So let's do the shadow jump for this jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I showed you 3 jump rope steps, which are the key of what jump rope basics foundation. Now, I was showing you the jump rope with a light jump rope. Now I'll show you that when you master, if you want to challenge yourself after mastering the basics, you can challenge with a little bit of heavy jump rope. So I'll start again. Position. I'll jump all the 3 jump ropes which I have just taught you. First is 2 foot. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Single foot. Single foot. Third one I showed you, which boxers use. So you can see that I am doing the jump in rhythm. And when I am doing in rhythm, I am using my brain to coordinate with my wrist movement, my leg movement, my body position is straight, my core is intact, and I've just done timber, and already my heart rate is up. I already have my heart rate up. So the basics of jump rope is to start with shadow jump, 2 foot shadow jump, 1, 2, first with the form, first with the correct position, elbows tucked in, hands here, you move with your wrist and knees a little bent, straight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, single foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, boxers. Okay, so as a beginner, start with shadow jumping, improve, practice daily consistently, say for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and slowly after you master the shadow jump movement, you move towards with a jump rope. And trust me friends, when I started more than 23 years back, I could not do one jump also. So practice makes a human achieve what they are aiming to achieve. There is nothing better than consistent practice. Alright, so now to wind up, I am going to again do the shadow jump, 3 jump rope, which we need to master. Elbows tucked in, straight position, 2 foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Single foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boxer's jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Single foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boxer's jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to show you this, all the 3 movements by doing, I'll do it in the, you can see I've mastered this, and I'm going to do this fast with a light jump rope first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did this with a light jump rope. Now I'll do it with a heavy jump rope. Position straight. Elbows tucked in, knee a little bit bent. Straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 5, 6, 10. So you see, if you incorporate jump rope into your lifestyle and you want to achieve tremendous health benefits which you get by doing exercise. Jump rope is an excellent fitness tool. It will always give you benefits you can't even imagine. I want to leave you with this thought that nothing comes easy in this life. The best guru, the best mentor, when you know your path, is consistency. The best guru, the best mentor, when you know your path, that is what I'm trying to achieve, is practice and consistency. You have to know where you are going. When you know your thoughts are clear, you have ample clarity, and you work towards it with consistency and practice, you will achieve. The same thing goes with jump rope. Start incorporating jump rope into your life. Start slowly, be consistent, and you will when you become a jump rope expert, a jump rope master, you will never even think of going back.